Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to replace the paracord on the chainsaw when it comes out on this specific chainsaw. I haven't seen any videos for this one, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it real quick. First thing is you're going to want to unscrew all of these screws here. And this pops right off real easily. It's 4 screws. Set the chainsaw aside. And you have this. You take another bolt out right here in the middle. Take that, lift this up, and then set it aside. And you're left with this spring on the inside. Spring, set that aside. What you're gonna want to do is take this white piece out right here. And then what you're gonna want to do here is there's a hole in here. You're gonna want to run the string through that hole. And then if you have to, you can use a pair of tweezers. This one, sit right out. So you want to make sure you tie a good knot. Take a lighter and kind of helps hold it together. Put that in there. Now it should be locked in there a lot better. It won't slip out. So put that piece back in there, just like that. Now make sure that your string runs through this hole before tying that knot and setting it down. Now next step is you're going to take the spring that was in there and you're going to place it. There's a little hole in there where the spring sits. Just place it in there. Now this little piece right here also has another hole for that spring to sit on. Get the screw. Your Allen key, tighten that up. So you're going to pull all the slack out. Make sure the string sits in this little notch right here, and this will help you to wind it up about 2 or 3 times. Feed itself. Now if it doesn't go, say like you get it halfway loose right there, you can put it back in that notch, maybe wind it up again once or twice, try it again, and there you go, and it should sit back in there just like that. And what you're going to want to do with that is just bolt it right back on. Make sure it sits on there right. Bolt it back on and you should be good to go.